Hello everyone, welcome back to Scodex. In today's tutorial, we are going to build a modern AI dashboard using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This dashboard includes a premium dark theme, responsive layout, analytics cards, charts, AI insights, team chat, transaction table, weather widget, calendar, and smooth animations. If you are learning web development, this project is a great way to improve your front-end skills. This is the complete project that we are going to build in this video. As you can see, it has a clean layout, modern UI, and professional design. Now let's start building it step by step. Here is our project folder. We have 3 files: index, HTML, style.css, and script.js. Each file has a different purpose. HTML creates the structure, CSS designs the interface, and JavaScript adds interactive features. Now let's open Visual Studio Code and begin with the HTML file. Let's start with HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to create the structure of every web page. In this project, HTML builds the sidebar, navigation bar, search box, dashboard cards, analytics section, charts, AI insights, recent activity, team chat, transaction table, weather widget, calendar, and footer. A well-organized HTML structure makes the project clean, readable, and easy to maintain. Now I'll paste the HTML code into the file. After saving the file, let's open it in the browser. As you can see, the structure is ready, but the page still looks very simple because we haven't added any styles yet. This is completely normal. HTML is only responsible for the content and layout of the web page. Now let's move to the CSS file. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS is used to make the website beautiful and visually appealing. In this project, CSS adds the dark theme, modern colors, typography, spacing, glassmorphism effects, gradients, shadows, rounded corners, hover effects, smooth transitions, and responsive layouts. We also use Flexbox and CSS Grid to organize the dashboard sections properly. Good CSS not only improves the appearance but also makes the website easier to use on different screen sizes. Now I'll paste the CSS code, save the file, and refresh the browser. You can immediately see the difference. The dashboard now looks modern, clean, and professional with beautiful styling and well-designed components. Now it's time to add JavaScript. JavaScript makes the dashboard interactive. It allows us to add dynamic features that improve the user experience. In this project, JavaScript controls the sidebar toggle, active navigation, smooth scrolling, animated counters, notifications, progress animations, and other interactive elements. These features make the dashboard feel more responsive and enjoyable to use. Now I'll paste the JavaScript code into the file, save it, and refresh the browser. Everything is now working smoothly, and the dashboard feels like a real web application. Let's take one final look at our completed AI dashboard. We successfully created a modern and fully responsive dashboard using only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This project demonstrates how these 3 technologies work together. HTML creates the structure, CSS designs the interface, and JavaScript adds interactivity. Learning all 3 is an important step for anyone who wants to become a front-end web developer. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like this video and subscribe to Scodex for more HTML, CSS, and JavaScript projects. The complete source code is available through the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep building amazing projects, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!